Get people them for place where they call them say Camtel for Limbe, the block gates this morning time for seekers say they never pay them a month and they never pay them salary for 21 moon. Inside Tori for this afternoon we go take una go for Limbe. We talk that palaver we pass for this morning time for that side so for Limbe for Camtel. As we get people then say the block gate say no man you no go enter for workplace this same time. Now so too we go take una we enter for my 17 motor park according to Tiwa be talk for now for some time. Now so too my 17 motor park it don't turn like say na people then say they go na holiday. Even dog then say now so all man e dey carry am na for comot for inside that side so for Boya. Today for this afternoon we go so talk palava so for place where they call am say Limbe. For inside Limbe we go talk this canoe wey ketu dem wey dey work on top water dey catch am wey e get gone. We hear say the canoe e be comot na for that side so for Nigeria. All this story then so we go bring am for now for this afternoon for this side so for Equinox Story House. Newspaper say e dey wey we get for give am for now. Country people dem big part talk for this afternoon e dey tell we say wetin. Say goat wey e hear say lion dey come is also remain for chop grass na for fear that kind of goat. I say goat wey e hear say lion dey come then is also turn up for one place e dey chop grass na for fear that kind of goat. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon for outside the Repe, good afternoon Reme, good afternoon for you uncle, auntie, sister, brother, even picking where they look ambassador just now. We dey throw on a big salute for outside there. We glad say we not dey with we and we glad say we not dey them. Now for sika why that way we self we dey for this side so country people them. Inside Tori for this afternoon as well na don't hear. We go start first with this one way pass. We go take una go first for that side so for Limbe. This one na my 17 man Nadine. Make we take people then go for that side for Limbe. We get na that side so for Limbe first where they catch some big canoe con the people them. Make we for inside Limbe country people them na for talk palava this canoe them where it dey so they be catch am. Canoe they be the nyati enter for inside country. Inside that big boat them. They meet up gun, they meet up even bullet. Where it dey so people them for inside that canoe they carry am. But the thing na say waiting. Ketu they talk say they catch the canoe na for on top Cameroon water. Where it dey so na place where they fish. Now for the ready Ketu them they catch that two canoe them where they so they be the waka on top water where they no get authorized for waka. One time as well they catch am for that side so for Bakassi. Now for Limbe side way it dey so they bring the canoe them. Yes, now for Limbe side they bring that canoe so country people them for talk say waiting. Inside Limbe now for the way they show we all the people them where it dey so they catch them so for that side so for Bakassi they bring them now for sure for side for Limbe. For side for Limbe now for the way they show we all the thing them you shake a shoot with the bullet them where they catch and they be there around them 43 people them now all than that where they be there inside that canoe they so they catch them. As soon as see them they be put them for inside motor for gendarme people them. One time they be get for carry them go ask them question. Waiting they become for do for inside Cameroon. Who give them that you shake a shoot and even that bullet them. All that question them. Nine way they so deep people them. They get for go answer and so for that side. As soon as they see that canoe, a commander for place where they call them say Lagos, Nigeria. E be the waka nyati. E they come for Cameroon before these people then say they catch that canoe so country people. For that side for Boya, we enter for inside my 17 motor park. Some kind of walk away it dey pass for day. Nothing where people they never feel for understand. I say walk a motor then they full up. Passenger they dey plenty like say na holiday where they go. All people then so even dog they don't tire. I say dog na then that. Dog then too they want go waka. My 17 as well we see on this afternoon. Plenty motor, plenty people, all man in the one, even goat. Una see am, goat sesep e dey go waka, all man dey carry cargo, goat o e dey go waka, dog e dey go waka, and even some one dey dey car. So my 17 motor park e be dey na place wey people dem sesep dey don full up for day. Na some one dem dis with a cargo wey dey dey wait, motor dem don full up so tey wey no dey. The one they only get for where they don't tie materials, they don't tie all small thing there. Whether na for which side they go no as ambassador. But sabi say all the one na so for Sika share way e be pass. Una see park for that side for my 17. Una see people they know. People they just dey for all corner. All man e the one come also for that side. One day wey they pay ticket for waka o. One day wey they draw one ton for city wey happen. So now the face that way we see my 17. People them now come out. Whether na only fear dey for their mind o. Man e no fit understand. Then I dey face that for my 17 motor park wey we see and this time wey people dem say dey dey fear. All man e dey na with a cargo, dog e dey go waka, goat e dey go waka, even pussy e dey go waka. All man e dey only fear na fear. Make we turn back for this side. When I sabi say thing wey happen for that side, so for my 16 yesterday na wey dey see call people their mind. But sabi say road don open. So we be tired, we enter for inside motor. Now my 16 market that. One una look for corner, na din small for this side. Now motor then that way they be born yesterday, we will pass and so. Now see no. Now the motor then that, where they be born yesterday. Now for talk say after yesterday we small turn it be pass so for that side for Boya. One time country people, motor they be star worker. And na so two ambassador be enter for a own motor, a ton for inside Boya for see whether if he feel free. Na so two e ton for inside town so he enter for motor park for my 17 for place where people they take motor. Even for inside the country people them now for talk say waiting. All thing be done the turn up fine. Only say waiting. Only say now one motor they be but motor them they be done already start carry people there since yesterday. So now for talk say waiting. Peace e don turn back for days small. Even as way people their heart it is also caught for inside that side so for Boya. Now number one motor this where they born where we go for before we go for that side so where they call am say my 16 market. Now my 16 market that for your right. Now motor then this way they born and so the BB motor so now all than that. So now the thing that we pass for that side way it make people them they be here bad yesterday for inside Boya. Now, just for sabi say inside this palava so country people, Bine place them, they be lock. I say Bine place them, they be lock. Market, central market for Boya, it no be open at all. I say central market no be open at all. And as soon as the see country people, now Boya big market that place is dry. My 17. No Bine place except it no be open yesterday. The one where they be tired open, their mind be the court. You understand? And as well the talk, we will get people then so they become when they want enter motor. The only way where they meet up parkway is dry. Then says their mind it be the court. I say heart be the corner people than that. They don't cancel me, they can't enter. See Bine put their place. All places be they lock. Motor then all they turn up no money, no be the worker. So now just the face up for Boya yesterday, but today, as well we hear, things they don't start turn back to normal, small. Even as we people their heart, it is also cut for that side for inside Boya. So things they don't start turn back to normal. Motor the worker, Bine play the open and other small things. There. Sabi say all the one people they talk say they want and say make peace a last turn back. Say they don't tire. They want peace for turn back. Now only peace they want and say make a turn back so for this side so country people them. As so it dey like say inside tori for this afternoon we go talk other small thing them. First we come up for Boya, we left Boya Palava for one side. We take una go for Simbok Yawende. Now only Wataren be that. I say Wataren wey pass for day yesterday. E carry Okada go with am. People they follow Okada so they follow Okada like say they follow Nangron beef for inside bush. When our Wataren don't carry Okada, plenty railway through for that side so for Simbok country people. E make people they follow Okada. That Okada so and that generator on the see with other small generator on go see am small time. Now so rain, water rain, e carry okada so tey people dey follow am. Can't see how people dey follow that okada so tey dey catch am na after wey water rain e don calm down. Even generator wey turn up for another place na so that water rain carry am. Water rain too we hear say e carry motor saw for that side, so for Simbok na rain or na normal water, man e no fit for talk whether na normal water. Even generator na the same. So water rain carry am. The other one water rain carry am. Okada one na see people dey carry am so for inside water. So water rain na e carry am. Plenty rain wey fall for that side for Simbok for Yawende. So na so the people dem too dey drag their okada, drag am so tey before they comot am for inside Gwataho for that side, so for Yawende. Na so we see am with we own crow eye, and na so too we show na the thing wey e pass for Simbok. We go left that palava for rain for one of the strong number dem for this afternoon. We talk chapter for strike. We take una go for palava for strike for Limbe. Yes, na before come tell this for Limbe this morning time. Gate people they don't lock gates. It means they put there they look out gate. They don't lock gate. Say no workman no go enter. The people they lock gate, they say waiting. They owe them so they 21 moon salary. I say waiting 21 moon salary. Now for sika why that way they talk say lie to lie. Then for say work people they enter work better they no open gate. Now so they lock gate. I say now people there they look out that gate. Now they say the lock gate turn up for the police people. They say they can't deny. Now they get people than that. Now they be the look out that gate. 12 months on a 21 moon. They no pay them even one pichicom. So they talk say la. They no go come out. They no go come out at all. Say that gate it go lock. No man no go enter for inside. Now they work people than that. Now they get people than that. They say no man he no go enter for inside gate. So it means say people then for Kamte for Limbe today. They no be enter workplace. They no be enter. Because that gate people they don't mean them they sandal. They talk say they no fit the work. So take 21 moon. They no pay they no nothing. They say we no deny that. 21 moon they never pay the money. Una dey say no. They never take even one money, one eye, one franc, no nothing. So they talk say better work to no go dey for that side for Kamte for Limbe. Now so to the log gate. She done for before gate. They say so they finish pay them now work people than this. No workman no enter for inside Kamte today. All man she done for outside. They talk say lie to lie. No man no go enter. As well then today she done for outside. Make all man too she done for outside. Now just the thing that way pass for that side so for Limbe. This morning time we get people there. They say they no go left no man enter for workplace. So Sika say they owe them 21 moon salary. I say 21 moon. Ask the people them who say how did they look out their picking them? How did they pay money for landlord? How did they look out family? How did they chop? How did they carry their picking they go hospital? All that question they so that you will get for asking for ourselves. Now we go talk chapter for thief. 4 o'clock the morning time for that side so for Noveru City be na Okada people there they be the play. Now Okada people then that they don't can catch thief man. Now the thief man that with the white way the holy so. They catch and knock am. See how they knock no. Thief man don't run Komora for Bedengram from Dokoti. Enter for inside BPC they go picky. Drag it for outside. No worry as we camera day some kind of for night. 4 o'clock. Now so they catch the boy bring it for outside. Knock and sote wait it happen. Okada people they enter for on top Okada carry them go. We go now so for that side so for Bepan or Mabanda. Yes. We talk this abandoned center. We go turn back for some other tori tomorrow. We'll turn back for this side. We take una go for that side so for Mabanda. We talk this palava center where they so na Cameroon CSF they say Centre Social Communal Intersectoriel. The place as well I don't read that. Nothing that way governor for Cameroon it be beg different people there for asame they can make them for them. Then a grass in the chopper now. They put and say waiting. They put and for say make these people them pick picking the way they work for road on top for road where they no get person or help. They don't thief air conditioner. No nothing no they. Air conditioner they don't thief. Picking the same way they talk so they go the commode them for road. Bring them for the place. For teach them handwork. How for so close. How for do waiting. How for even pass shoe. How for make mechanic. the house e don dey empty. They dey only count thief. Place where light get for turn up, light no dey. And time wey they be open this center, we hear say all chief dem for Douala they be dey for give blessing for this center. Ntone sese be dey. But now the center don turn a place where they don left am. They know the use and them again. Place where they spend more than 180 million according to tori wey enter for we ear. Fine house where they be talk say they wan pick na pikin dem for road. One day wey they no get mami dey dey work at on top for road for teach them handwork so that dem too dey fit comot chop something. How that pikin dey do now? Na the house is the waste. They dey use the house na only when gando dey. Only when gando dey na that time wey they dey use the house. Na it mean say when gando no dey, they no dey use the house at all. Yes, when gando no dey, the house all dey empty. People dem tipu they don can the thief air conditioner. They dey come enter for the thief their thing them. House they don just abandon. Now house this way governor for Cameroon a sign book with different people there for outside before they can build am. But now so waiting they dey. No nothing no dey happen for inside there. We go finish with the tori for where it concern with SSF. Sabi say tori people they be there for school for that side so for Yawende. And now Oga Peter Esoka SSF it be call all the tori people them for inside one place. Sabi say tori people them even as well they don't finish go school. We go turn back for that one tomorrow man day. We go turn back for that one. We will continue for make our investigate. Make we enter for school for tori people them. Yes, make we enter for school for tori people them. When Oga Peter Esoka SSF it be happened down Dongame yesterday. So Oga Peter Esoka take time. He cut tori people the way they don't talk hate speech as well they call them for Queen Elisa. Hate speech na me say wetin. We dey talk to way you know be get for talk for your own countryman. So now for sake that one we bring all them tori people them. Say no like and say make different man he curse another man. Say that kind thing no fine. So he show all people there. The different tori the way they don't do something way. They don't talk to way they cause different people there. So it also the kind of thing for Cameroon. You know fine. And according to way Oga Peter Esoka talker, he say some of the tori people there, they no be ever check say they go be for Saturday the day. So all thing they just surprise them. All thing they just surprise them. So all the thing one at the same so now so people the way they so Oga Peter Esoka be don't cut and they don't record keep more. Then now as say tori people they can she done. He talk say the kind of thing no fine. Even if you find now which kind of conisa for enter for inside tori house, you get for sabi the way they talk. You know go curse your brother. You know go talk some kind of thing wey go hurt your brother. Say that kind of thing no fine. So now the school that way tori people themselves they be inside. And na Papa Peter Esoka for National Communication Council. He be put all them for inside that book. Say make they learn. Make they sabi even Atia Tilario for the Sun newspaper. He to be there na they demand that. That's why we wear big glasses. Atia Tilarius. You see all they be there for learn some new thing. Sabi say school for tori people. You know they ever finish. Vote in the camp. That one too they talk for tori people them. So now for sika why that way Papa Peter Esoka he call tori people them say make they come. Say I no lie for the year as soon as they coach different people there. Use some kind of talk the way it they hurt different people there for answer. All that thing the way they say extra. Nothing them. Now people there they don't talk war against different people there. So that kind of thing he talk say he no fine. Yes. Now what that way according Dongame. So tori people they say they be day school. Small for learn say for talk some kind of talk them he no fine. Even tori has say be day though. Yes, tori has I see tori has in name too for day. Oga Peter Esoka too cut some small part for tori has put am for day. Anyhow, now the tori that way we gather for this afternoon. Make we enter for newspaper then too we see which way they talk. The guidance post he enter for confusion for Northwest West. Atanganji he talk say he no like we international right group. They look at Ambazonia fighter. Then I mean say they know they overuse strong hand on top them. Say they only look at them like Pikin. He say he no like am at all. So for inside the same chapter for Northwest West. They tell we say waiting Ambazonia people themselves they be seized boya yesterday for 3 hours walk after they come out. The guidance post he tell we to say waiting say some 2 brothers the day where they don't catch them or they don't accuse them say waiting they kill Pikin for person wey e be don give them work after wey they send them for by force pension. Inside the same tori for Yawende side they tell we as we gun people them They don't do wetin. They don't attack Makombi wey comot Russia. Ambassador for Russia wey dey sidon for here when they sote dey give wound. 50,000 francs CFA choko. Na so too e don enter for inside court case. All the tori dem so plus other one. The guardian post e get am for his system. Newswatch say wey dey for outside today country people e get e own tori for talk for we. For inside Newswatch, wetin dey for the Newswatch wey e dey for outside today country people. We enter for Newswatch. Another one wey we look am for this same time. They say they dey ask na question. Say work wey Ketu dem they dey do am for answer Ambazonia own people dem. Say e correct or e no correct. Na question that they dey ask am. Chapter for Norway Southwest. Say the work wey Ketu dey do am for that side. Say na thing wey correct or na how or e never overdo. Now palava for vote for Genu Nkunkuma. Newswatch e dey talk say Prophet Frank, you frank? Prophet Frank, you frank? Now the question that when Newswatch e dey ask Prophet Frank this time. Inside Newswatch too, they dey tell we as when governor don talk say he never even dream for say he wan cut internet for Norwest and Southwest as wey pomporompo e don dey turn for all side. Na so too they dey tell we say na Ketu dey look out people dey waka comot for Kumbasote dey reach for Boya. Other tori dey dey for inside Newswatch wey you fit for look am. Country people, na the one dem that way we turn put our hand on top this afternoon. Sabi say we be don talk say e dey so when man e turn e see some small thing e go take am. If you no see am, e no go take am. So na the small tori dem that we will join hand for this afternoon for show and for una. Na din go for sesep na e be the show we all image. Aso akola e put am. Aso akola e put am. Zeferen Gondi na e make you dey see me for outside. One day wey they see me for Facebook and the other one wey they look with me for YouTube just now live like say I dey with una for that side. Person wey dey do that work na some small gondere. They dey call it na Melis or na Malis. Na e dey do am. You understand? So na big work for 4 people then. I thank even Dipanda. I thank even Ndamiteran. All them two they be put hands in me to rework a fine. Anyway, one be if you don't talk table chop fine. Wanna hold am tight na so take for some time.